Hi guys, this is Zeba. Welcome back to my channel. So guess what? We are recreating another celebrity makeup look, and this time it is Billie Eilish. So I recently came across her TikTok makeup tutorial that was going literally viral, and I wanted to do that because that makeup look was so effortless yet so glamorous. So I tried it and this is how it looks, and I am literally obsessed over this one. So you just see this whole makeup look is so gorgeous. You can wear it to work, you can even wear it to college, wherever you want, and it is so glamorous that you can also I'm sorry. Yeah, so this is just so glamorous that you can also wear it to a party or any sort of event. Now let's dive into the makeup tutorial, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so we stay connected, and also press the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video, because I do upload new videos every week. And yeah, I'll see you on the other end. So I have already done my skincare. Like, I have cleansed my face, then I applied a toner, then a moisturizer, and then some primer. Billie Eilish has gone straight with her eye makeup in her video, so I'm gonna do that, but before starting on with eye makeup, I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer on my eyelids to sort of prep my eyelids for eye makeup. So for that, I'm actually going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade 317 Almond, and I'm just going to apply very tiny amount, so just removing whatever the wand has, just applying tiny dots. 1 2 3 4 5, that's it. To blend this, I'm going to use this concealer blending brush and just blending it. Instead of an eyeshadow primer, if you're using a concealer to prep your eyelids for makeup, make sure that the concealer is matte and it's not a hydrating or dewy concealer. Now we are going to set this, and for that I'm actually going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade Natural Buff. I'm going to take a basic eyeshadow brush. Make sure there's no eyeshadow left on it. Then do this. Tap off any extra product. Just set your eyelids. Do not forget this inner corner ever. Okay, even if you're applying concealer, you need to apply concealer here as well, because if you have dark circles, you might notice that the dark circles also show here. Now let's see what she's doing with the eyes. I'm gonna play the video, you can see it on the screen. So she has applied a brown kajal and tight lined her lower as well as upper waterline, so we are going to do that. Okay, firstly I'm going to take this My Glam Superfoods Kajal, shade is Amber. So we have successfully tight lined our lower waterline. Now it's time for the upper waterline, which is the trickiest part. I hate doing it. So this is just so ticklish. I think I'm gonna tear up, but yeah, let's keep trying. Let me go ahead and do the other eye as well. I sort of poked my eye. I have successfully tight lined my waterline without tearing up. Then using the same brown kajal, she has extended it on the outer corner to sort of make a wing. Yeah, I think now both of these look similar. Then she is using a brown eyeshadow from the Makeup by Mario palette, and I have a budget friendly option, which is the Reached Mass 15 Fantasy eyeshadow palette, and this is the shade that is very close to the one that she has used in the video, so we are going to use this one. To apply this, I'm actually going to use this thin angular brush. We take product like this, tap off the extra and then just apply it. And you need to hold the brush from the center, you know, so you have proper control of the brush. Yeah, that's it. Then she has taken a Q-tip and sort of cleaned out the edges, I believe, with a micellar water. Okay, let's do that. Garnier micellar water, this one. So I'm gonna dip my Q-tip and we're gonna clean up, although I don't think that we need to because it's already very sharp, but okay. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, this actually works. And you need to clean this area as well. Okay, yeah, this looks nice. Applied the eyeshadow again, connecting it with the upper lashes and extending it towards the inner corner as well. So I'm taking the brown eyeshadow again. Now let's get done with the inner corners. Okay, so she has applied concealer to sort of cover any acne marks or pigmentation that we have. So for concealer, again, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade 317 Almond over here. Just tiny dots and some over here. That's the amount of concealer that we are using today. Now we need to blend all of it. I'm going to use my fingers. The base is supposed to be as minimal as it can be. So just covering several acne marks and pigmentation, as in the discoloration on the face. So yeah, just covering that. You know, this makeup is so versatile. It will look good on each and every skin tone. Okay, after blending the concealer with my fingers, I'm gonna go in with the concealer brush. Just tap it wherever we have applied the product. This ensures full coverage, and you see I have not taken any extra product. Whatever was left after blending, we are gonna use that. Okay, that's it. So you see it's still natural. So then I'm gonna set my face firstly with the same Maybelline Fit Me Compact shade as Natural Buff. So just taking the product, tapping off extra and just setting it. Okay, especially applying it wherever I have applied the concealer to make sure that the concealer has been set properly with powder. Towards the freckles part. For freckles, I'm not actually sure. She has used a liquid eyeliner, or I think the freckle maker or something. Or, you know, we can actually use a dark brown eyebrow pencil to make freckles. I'm going to use that. Just making the tiniest dots. The freckles are visible to me. I don't know how it looks on the camera. Okay, see, it is visible. Okay, I think that is enough. More than enough actually. Now I'm just gonna take my fingers to sort of press it so it looks completely natural. And now let's just see what was her next step. Okay, her blush looks very cool toned. Actually, I'm gonna use this shade, but this is a very bright shade, so I'm gonna take the most of it and just remove it. It looks nice. Okay, so yeah, we are done with the blush part. Okay, I think she has applied some highlighter on her cheekbones and nose. So we're gonna do the same. For highlighter, I'm actually going to use the Swiss Beauty Highlighter Tub highlighter. Okay, the shade is 02 Golden Hour. So for my cheeks, I'm directly gonna put this on the very high points of my cheeks, here as well, then on the bridge of my nose and on the tip of my nose. And then we're going to blend this. I'm gonna blend this using my fingers. See how glamorous this look is. Still This is so easy, like you can do this in minutes. Okay, so the next step would be to do our brows, and she has used a lot of brow products. I will tell you my super budget friendly and really easy brow hack. What I always do, I take a small brush like this, eyeshadow brush like this. Then I take a darker shade of brown, the one that kind of matches my eyebrows as well as my hair color. Tap off extra. Then just fill in my brows with this. This is by far my most favorite way to do my brows. I really don't like to purchase. I actually don't even purchase a lot of brow products. It just doesn't make sense. You just have to fill in your brows. You do not need a lot of eyeshadow. Sorry, you do not need a lot of eyebrow products. Seriously, okay, you need to trust me on this one. Now to set your brows after you have filled it in, I'm gonna tell you the easiest hack. What I actually use is a hairspray and this kind of spoolie brush. This is the easiest hack. I mean, everyone owns a hairspray. This is the Set Wet hairspray extreme hold. I just spray some of it on the spoolie. Yeah, that's it. And then just brush my brows with this, and I tell you, the hold this provides is just crazy. We are done. Perfect. Now the next step that Billie Eilish did was to do her mascara, I guess. Yes, it was mascara. So let's do that. She curled her lashes, so I'm gonna do the same. Then I'm gonna use my most favorite Reached Mars Fabulash mascara. I just want you wanna feel close tonight. Yeah, let me zoom in and show you the difference that this mascara makes. And applying it on my bottom lashes as well. Okay, so now we are done with mascara as well. And let's just see what she has done for the lips. So she has applied a tint on the outer edge. The one removable one, I do not have it, so we skip that part. Then she went in with a dark brown, chocolate kind of brown shade as her lip liner. Rest of the lips remain the same. Okay, let's just do that. I'm going to use this My Glam Tinted Up lip and cheek tint on the very outer edge. The one that she applied was a peel off kind of tint. I do not own that kind of tint. Now I'm gonna let this one dry. Meanwhile, I'm just going to obsess over the whole eye makeup because this is just so classy. I think this is the look that I'm gonna do for this New Year's Eve if I go out with my friends, which I will. I think I will. So yeah, this is going to be my go-to, and I think you will be watching this particular video on New Year's Eve. Yeah, I think I'm gonna upload this one on 31st December as the last video of this year on my YouTube channel, and then we are gonna do a fresh start in 2025. I think it has dried up now. Then we're going to go in with a lip liner that she used, kind of what she used. This is the Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner in the shade Cherry Brown. I'm gonna use this one to line my lips. I believe she did nothing on the inner part of her lips. Since I have pigmented lips, I'm gonna do a little bit of color in the center. Yeah, and for that I have used the Swiss Beauty non-transfer lipstick in the shade 415 Bear. Okay, so do I look like Billie Eilish? Hell no, because we both have different facial structures, different faces for that matter, and I was not trying to look like her. I was just recreating her look. Yeah, I just love this makeup look. It is very glamorous, yet there are not a lot of products involved in this whole look. It just doesn't feel like I'm wearing something. No transfer on my hands. The idea was not to cover a lot, instead embrace your skin and just enhance it using makeup. Okay, the eyes looks gorgeous, and it is just effortless. You know, the lips, look at them, just so effortless. So yeah, now let me just do my hair. For hair, I think I'm not gonna do anything, just leave my hair like that. Okay, this looks awesome. I'm gonna accessorize as well. I'm wearing these pretty earrings. See, I got these from Sarojini Nagar market, and it was just for 30 rupees or 50 rupees, I think. So pretty, aren't they pretty? Okay guys, so that was it, and yeah, this was the whole Billie Eilish's makeup recreation. I really love this look, and I hope you like it too. If you like it, hit the like button. Do share this video with your friends and families, and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so we can stay connected. And yeah, I will see you soon. Actually, I will see you in 2025. Till then, you take care. I love you so much, and I will keep loving you.